He's accused of killing his first wife and his two stepchildren in what's been dubbed the Doomsday Case. Now, jury selection is underway for the trial of Chad Daybell. 16-year-old Tylee Ryan and 7-year-old Joshua Vallow disappeared in 2019. Their remains were later found on Daybell's Idaho property. Now, Daybell and his second wife, Lori Vallow, fled to Hawaii as investigators were still searching for the children. Vallow was convicted last year of the murders and sentenced to life in prison, but Daybell, if convicted, could receive the death penalty. NewsNation's Nancy Liu is live from Boise. And Nancy, how long is jury selection expected to take?
Well, Nichole, seating a jury for this trial could take up to 2 weeks since Chad Daybell faces the death penalty. The big difference in his trial and that of his wife, Lori Vallow, who was convicted last year and is currently serving life. Another big difference, the judge is allowing a live stream of the Daybell trial, even the jury selection process. So already dozens of prospective jurors have already been dismissed, at least 2 women who strongly believe Daybell is guilty as charged. He has been listening intently throughout the process, conferring with his attorneys at times. The bulk of prospective jurors have been dismissed due to hardship since this trial is expected to stretch up to 10 weeks, with possibly another week sequestered for deliberations. Now, the time commitment, too much for full-time caregivers and those with weddings, graduations, and/or vacations already planned. Daybell faces murder, conspiracy, and insurance fraud in connection with the deaths of Vallow's children, JJ and Tylee, and his first wife, Tammy Daybell, who was killed just 2 weeks before he married Lori Vallow in Hawaii. In this trial, the 12 jurors and 6 alternates selected have to be willing to vote for the death penalty if evidence in the case fits the criteria. Some of the dismissed say it's a decision they just can't make.
As much as I'm pro-death penalty, I believe that we need that. It would have been really hard for me to sentence somebody to death. It would have cost me something. So I was just really glad that I was not confronted with that. And I feel for the jurors who are more than likely going to be.
Now, Judge Stephen Boyce aiming for an initial pool of 50 before the prosecution and defense begin their peremptory challenges. Already this morning, Nichole, we've already seen multiple people dismissed due to hardship. And all that includes one woman who said that she just wouldn't be able to withstand the graphic evidence in this case, that she's already losing sleep just thinking that she might serve on this jury. Now, the defense attorney, John Pryor, has said that Daybell really wants to tell his side of the story, but it's unclear at this point whether he will be taking the stand. Nichole?
All right, Nancy Liu, live for us there in Idaho. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.